Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for October 2023. In this class, we will be creating 6 handmade holiday cards with your choice of stamp set. I will be making my cards with the Merry and Bright, Beary Cute, and the Merriest Trees bundles. Make sure to get the coordinating dies or punch for the stamped set you choose. You can see the product list below in the description. You can choose which set you want to use or pick one you already own. Look for bold, solid images that work well with bright, fun colors. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class with beautiful and fun cards. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form. I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. Or you can visit my blog for more information, and the link is below in the description box. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we will be creating in this fun holiday card class. These cards are bold and bright and perfect for bringing holiday cheer to your family or friends' holiday season. Each card includes blending and unique ways to use the stamps and dies. I will also be sharing my tips to getting great results with heat embossing and fussy cutting. This class will be full of great tips and tricks to get the most out of your craft supplies. So don't miss it. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, October 30th through Saturday, November 4th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or they can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35, and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description box or up here in the top right corner. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, October 15th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes. No pre-cut shapes will be included. It will also include a new pack of blue, green, and white adhesive-backed glitter sequins, a new roll of white iridescent ribbon, and a roll of black baker's twine. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the ribbons and glitter sequins. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with the PDFs with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code I provide on my blog. You will need to choose your stamp set or bundle, and of course you can use something you already own. I recommend the Merry and Bright bundle, or the Merriest Trees bundle, or Beary Cute bundle. And don't forget about the coordinating punch or dies that go with those stamp sets. You will also want to have a label die set, and I am using the Nested Essential dies. Then for the ink colors, I have Poppy Parade, Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, Balmy Blue, and Misty Moonlight for our ink colors. We will also be doing some heat emboss techniques, so you're going to need those supplies as well. And that includes Versamark ink, an embossing buddy, which you can find in the Embossing Additions kit. You will want a heat tool and some white embossing powder. Because we're also doing blending techniques, you will need some blending brushes. And I do suggest having 5, one for each color that we will be using, as well as a Stamp and Pierce mat if the stamp sets you're using are photopolymer, which is what all 3 of these stamps are. A Stamp and Pierce mat gives you a nice impression each time. Here are the tools and adhesive you will need. You will want a take-a-pick tool, paper trimmer, Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine, ribbon scissors, paper snips, Simply Chamois or another way to clean your stamps. I also like to have a bone folder and, of course, the coordinating clear blocks. You will want to choose your favorite adhesives. Mine are mini glue dots, dimensionals. I liked the mini size for these cards. You will also want some Stamp and Seal, tear and tape, and multi-purpose liquid glue, as well as some adhesive sheets and masking paper for some of our techniques. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are below in the description, or you can register up here in the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.